Wagwan everybody, it's Mugzy and we're out here for another tutorial. So today I'm going to be teaching you one of my popular moves. It's called the 357. Alright, so starting first, you're going to take your right foot, right heel, and you're going to place it in front and you want to twist. So you want to twist from left to right. So we're going to go left to right. At the same time, you're going to be on your left toe. So it's kind of like you jump into it, so you go left to right. Perfect. After you do that, you're going to jump back. So you're going to go left to right and jump back and kick your left foot forward. Do that one more time. Perfect. Alright, so once you're here in this position, you're going to kind of yuck yourself forward, step with your left, and then you're going to go left, right with your right foot. So it's gonna look like a and one and two, jump, tap, tap. All right, so then we have the hands. Our hands are gonna be holding our 357s. So we're gonna be ready for action, ready for war. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna opposite, then shoot, shoot, step, step. All right, so we go one, boom, boom, step, step. And then as you step, you're gonna drop your guns back down. Alright, so let's do that full one more time. And I'll do it very slow. Alright, now let's pick it up in pace. The last part of this variation is you're gonna shoot to the side in slow motion, shoot to the front, and then drop, drop. So we go 1, 2, 3, drop, drop. 5, 6, one more time. So 1, 2, 3, drop, drop. Let's put it all together.
Clean in my shirt and butt socks. Clean in my shirt and butt socks. Clean in my shirt and offended the Gucci, the Prada, and the butt socks. Clean in my shirt and butt socks. Clean in my shirt and butt socks. Clean in my shirt and offended the Gucci.
Okay, so now I'm gonna show you the third variation. This move has 3 variations. I'm gonna skip the second one and I'm gonna show you the third one because the third one is my favorite. Alright, so we start off the same way. We're gonna go and 1, shoot, shoot, and this time shoot, shoot. Now we're gonna jump, drop, drop, drop. Alright, so it's like we're doing a crisscross but without putting our leg down. So we're gonna keep this one out and you're gonna jump back, front, back. Alright, so 1, shoot, back, front, back. With your hands, you're gonna go 1, shoot, shoot, back, front, back. Your hands are actually gonna crisscross in front of you. All right, so let's do that very, very slow. So 1 and shoot, shoot, doom, doom. All right. So that may be kind of tough at first. Trust me, when I was making it took me forever to make that. So I'm understanding, but just take your time with it. So I'm gonna do it very slow one more time, and then we'll speed it up and do the whole thing. So we go 1, shoot, shoot, pop, pop, pop. And then the last part, you're gonna take your right foot behind you, twist, and then you're gonna come up and cross, and you turn around very slow. Like that, and then you jump back. So the whole thing, 1 and shoot, shoot, back, back, back. Then 1, 2, and turn it around. And then you come back right there. Cool. So now I'll show you some music.
Clean in my shirt and butt socks. Clean in my shirt and butt socks. Clean in my shirt and offended the Gucci, the Prada, and the butt socks. Clean in my shirt and butt socks. Clean in my shirt and butt socks. Clean in my shirt and offended the Gucci, the Prada.